DJM TV.
Country people, una welcome to DJM TV weekly news update for Pidgin English. Me wan like this week na una country brother Stanley Okocha. I beg my brother, my sister, if this one are the first time when you take dey watch our ogbonge news like this, I beg make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV. Make you click on the notification bell so that you go continue dey receive hot ogbonge news like this. Our first news for today na be the one when it concern
DJM TV.
Well, thank you very much, gentlemen of the press. So what we just had inside was the inauguration of the National Council for the Ondo election, governorship election. And humbly so, I have been so sworn in as the chairman of that council. And your first observation was that we had a pretty large number. It's a reflection of how many number of people truly want to serve our party. It's a reflection of how committed our members are, and how passionate they are to continue to want to serve the party at the national level. And so when you are called upon at this, I think it's not only a personal honor, it's also an honor for your state that you've been identified and you're willing to serve, to come and deliver the election that we believe, by the grace of God, on the 10th of October 2020, our brother, our friend, His Excellency Governor Akeredolu, SAN, will be returned as the executive governor of Ondo State.
Yes, my colleagues would like to know, your choice is very spectacular. Endorsements of the national leader of the party on the candidature of
Oh, okay.
This is the endorsement of the national leader.
Oh, as in me, as a chairman?
Yes.
Okay, so, the leader of the thing is not, he has not taken the history very well. 4 years ago, this same election, Ondo State election, right, had as the leader, as the chairman of that council, my brother, the governor of Plateau State. The governor of Plateau State was a first-time governor. He was less than 1 year old, even on that job, and he did a fantastic job. He was able to uproot the Roko in Ondo at that time, even him. So history has repeated itself. He's here standing beside me with wealth of experience, and knowing fully well all the terrains that he had gone through. And so it's the same vein, in the same context that I have also emerged. Not because I'm lacking in number of years as a governor, but given the antecedent of also what has happened 4 years ago, and given the pedigree that also I'm bringing to the table. Yes.
Last question. They answer the question.
National leader. This is the endorsement of all the parties, all the leadership of the party.
Candidacy was a choice.
Yes, if it was an
Endorsed by him.
That's why you came.
Okay, so you can see his endorsement was not only his endorsement, it was a collective endorsement. Yeah. In this endorsement, you saw Senator Boroface. You've seen you've seen our brother Olushola Oke. You've seen meetings where Kekemeke was in attendance. You've seen meetings where Dr. Abraham was in attendance. So for them, even after the primaries, they've all come together, even before our choice, of the National Council. In Ondo State, they've resolved their problems by themselves. They've gone ahead to resolve, and all of them have entered this room and said, you know what, for this one, all of us are going together, and we're supporting the candidacy of Governor Akeredolu. So it's a unified thing. They make that work a lot easier for us. But we know that the critical thing is about the people in Ondo State. It's about good governance. It's about what he is doing and what he had said to the people he will also further do. It's not an easy job, but we believe in him. We believe that what he had started as a true progressive, he will not only take Ondo State to a higher level, people will see real governance, will see people-driven governance at the highest level. And so the good job that he's doing, all of them has on their own endorsed that it should continue. And the least we can do is to support that convergence. And that's why we're here.
What is your message to the opposition, the People's Democratic Party in Ondo State on this campaign?
They really should not waste their time. But election, it's something that it's not over until it's over. So we're not going to take anybody for granted. We're going for an election, and it will be issue-based. We will ensure that we campaign on the platform for the people and for the citizens of Ondo State to see the need, whilst they need to continue with the progressive government that they have then. He's doing very well. We've seen it, but he knows that he still has the capacity, he has the energy to further advance what he's currently doing. And so that's why we're with him, and we know he will do well.
Thank
you.
I know His Excellency, the governor of Ondo State, would like to say a word.
No, I'm all right.
You're all right.
I'm all right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you.
DJM TV.
My brother, my sister, if this one are the first time when you take a watch our ogbonge news like this, I beg, make you subscribe to our YouTube channel when be DJM TV. Make you click on the notification bell so that you go continue dey receive hot ogbonge news like this.
DJM TV.